If you live in the USA, you probably notice one thing. Americans love convenience. From food to shopping, even weddings, everything is designed to make life easier. Today we'll explore why convenience is a way of life in America. In the USA, drive-thrus aren't just a fast food gimmick. They are a way of life. Americans use them for almost everything you can imagine. Sure, the classic drive-thru for burgers and fries is common. But today you can get your coffee, your prescriptions, and even groceries without leaving your car. Some fast food chains even allow you to order ahead using apps. So when you arrive, your order is already ready, minimizing the wait to just a couple of minutes. In some unusual cases, Americans have even organized drive-thru weddings, where couples can say their vows from the comfort of their cars, making it fast, easy, and safe. This might seem bizarre to outsiders, but for Americans juggling busy work schedules, kids, and side hustles, it's incredibly practical. The convenience of drive-thrus saves time and effort. And it's become such a cultural norm that many people choose, locations specifically, for their drive-thru options. From a logistical perspective, it's genius. You reduce congestion, maintain social distance if needed, and get your essentials faster. This efficiency-first mindset is something Americans embrace in nearly every aspect of daily life, and the drive-thru is a perfect example of how convenience shapes culture in the USA. Online shopping in the USA has transformed the way Americans live, work, and even socialize. Thanks to e-commerce giants like Amazon, Walmart, and Target, you can buy almost anything from home and have it delivered within hours. Sometimes even the same day. Subscription boxes, on-demand grocery deliveries, and app-based ordering systems mean people rarely have to leave the house for essentials. During busy work weeks, parents with kids, or those with demanding jobs, online shopping allows Americans to manage household tasks efficiently without sacrificing time for other responsibilities. This convenience is further enhanced by personalized recommendations and subscription services. Amazon knows what you might want next before you even realize it. The logistics behind it is staggering. Warehouses, automated sorting, and same-day delivery networks are optimized for speed. But what makes it so appealing to Americans is not just the technology. It's the freedom to focus on priorities, minimize stress, and maximize free time. Convenience has become so central that shopping in-store is sometimes seen as an unnecessary hassle unless it's for socializing or entertainment. This tech-enabled lifestyle has completely changed retail culture in the USA and influenced buying habits worldwide. Fast food is one of the most iconic examples of convenience in American culture. With thousands of fast food chains nationwide, Americans have access to quick meals virtually anywhere. It's not just about burgers and fries. Many restaurants offer online ordering, mobile app pre-orders, and curbside pickup. Fast food provides a solution to the fast-paced lifestyle many Americans lead. It's cheap, quick, and requires no preparation at home. Studies suggest that over 50% of Americans eat fast food at least once a week, highlighting how deeply ingrained it is in daily life. Beyond convenience, it also represents a cultural identity. Families gathering over pizza, friends meeting for a quick bite, college students grabbing coffee between classes. Schools are even adapting, with some cafeterias implementing fast service systems to reduce lines and waiting times. While nutrition is often debated, the convenience factor is undeniable. Fast food embodies speed, predictability, and accessibility, making it a permanent part of American life. Even busy professionals who cook at home often supplement their meals with takeout or delivery. In a country where time is considered money, fast food has become more than sustenance. It's a lifestyle necessity. Cash is increasingly becoming a thing of the past in the USA. Americans prefer speed and efficiency, which is why credit cards, mobile wallets like Apple Pay, Google Pay, and apps like Venmo have become the standard. Most restaurants, stores, and service providers accept digital payments, and many even prefer them for faster checkout and tracking purposes. Digital payments also make splitting bills, transferring money to friends, and paying for services seamless, all without touching physical cash. Banks and financial apps have created a secure ecosystem that allows instant payments, budgeting, and even investment management from a smartphone. For Americans, digital payments aren't just convenient, they're a lifestyle. They eliminate the need to carry cash, reduce the risk of theft, and save time. Even small purchases like coffee or snacks are often done digitally, The cultural shift towards digital payments also reflects the high value Americans place on efficiency. Whether it's paying for groceries, tipping at a restaurant, or purchasing tickets for an event, digital payments make life smoother. The combination of convenience, security, and speed has made cash almost optional, illustrating just how central convenience is to everyday American living. Smart homes have become a hallmark of convenience in America. Thermostats, lights, security cameras, doorbells, and even coffee machines are now often connected to smartphones or voice assistants, like Alexa or Google Home. This allows Americans to control nearly every aspect of their home environment without moving from their couch or bed. Imagine waking up, asking your smart assistant to start brewing coffee, turning on the heater and checking the security cameras all before leaving your bedroom. That's everyday life for many. Beyond convenience, smart homes save energy and improve safety. Smart thermostats optimize heating and cooling, while smart security systems notify homeowners of unusual activity. This technology isn't limited to luxury homes. More and more middle-class households are adopting smart devices, making daily tasks faster and easier. Americans view these devices as investments in efficiency and comfort. Convenience, in this sense, isn't just about saving time. It's about improving quality of life. From controlling lighting moods for work-from-home setups to automating chores, smart home technology demonstrates how deeply Americans embrace tools that simplify and streamline life. Transportation in the USA reflects the same obsession with convenience seen in other aspects of life. While many Americans still rely on cars, the country has also seen a boom in alternative options designed to save time and effort. Apps like Uber and Lyft have transformed commuting in cities, allowing people to request rides instantly without the hassle of parking, dealing with traffic, or owning a car. Electric scooters, bike-sharing programs, and public transit apps provide flexible options for shorter distances, particularly in urban areas. Even airports and train stations prioritize speed and convenience, offering mobile check-ins, fast security lines, and automated ticketing. For Americans juggling long work hours, multiple jobs, or busy family schedules, these transportation solutions are a lifeline. Convenience isn't just a preference, it's a necessity. The cultural expectation is that travel should be fast, predictable, and stress-free. In suburban and rural areas, where distances are longer, the emphasis on convenience manifests in personal vehicle ownership combined with GPS, apps for optimal routes. Ride-sharing and app-based options also reflect a shift in mindset. Americans are willing to pay extra to save time, reduce mental load, and streamline everyday life. This blend of technology, services, and cultural expectation makes transportation one of the clearest examples of how convenience is woven into daily life in the USA. The way Americans shop for food has also evolved around convenience. Meal kit services like HelloFresh, Blue Apron, and Home Chef allow people to receive pre-portioned ingredients and easy-to-follow recipes right at their doorstep. Busy families, professionals, and students no longer have to plan meals, shop for each ingredient, or worry about food waste. Grocery delivery apps like Instacart or Amazon Fresh take convenience even further, letting customers select groceries online and schedule delivery within hours. This convenience-first approach reflects a lifestyle where time is considered one of the most valuable resources. Many Americans balance work, family, school, and social obligations, leaving little room for traditional grocery shopping. Meal kits also introduce variety, allowing people to try international cuisines, seasonal meals, or healthier options without the hassle of preparation. The convenience factor extends to subscription plans, repeat delivery schedules, and apps that remember previous orders. This system shows how deeply Americans value tools that simplify essential life tasks. Convenience is no longer just a luxury. It is an expectation. The combination of technology, logistics, and cultural habits has created an ecosystem where meal preparation, once a time-consuming chore, can now be accomplished almost effortlessly. Entertainment in the USA has undergone a massive shift thanks to on-demand streaming services. Platforms like Netflix, Disney+, Hulu, HBO Max, and YouTube have transformed how Americans consume media. Waiting for a specific broadcast time is almost unheard of. Shows, movies, and documentaries are available anytime, anywhere. People can binge-watch an entire season in one weekend, pause for work or chores, and resume seamlessly. Gaming platforms, podcasts, and live streaming services add even more options for instant entertainment. The convenience of entertainment goes beyond accessibility. It is personalized. Algorithms suggest shows, movies, and videos based on individual preferences, making discovery almost effortless. This approach has changed family routines, socializing, and leisure activities. For Americans, entertainment is not just about passing time. It's about convenience, control, and instant gratification. Even attending live events is often enhanced by apps for ticketing, seating, and event notifications. Convenience in entertainment allows Americans to fit leisure into busy schedules, adapt to their personal preferences, and enjoy media with minimal friction. In a culture that prioritizes efficiency and time management, on-demand entertainment exemplifies how convenience has become central to American life. Health and fitness in the USA have embraced convenience through technology more than ever before. Americans use a wide variety of apps and wearable devices to track their workouts, diet, sleep, and overall wellness. Apps like MyFitnessPal, Fitbit, Peloton, and Apple Health allow people to exercise, monitor nutrition, and maintain fitness routines from home or on the go. Virtual workout classes provide the same professional guidance as a gym, but without commuting or crowded facilities. Telehealth and online nutrition consultations further add to the convenience, allowing people to consult professionals without taking time off work or waiting in lines. Convenience in health and fitness isn't just about saving time. It also improves consistency, motivation, and accountability. Americans can design routines that fit into their schedules, track progress in real time, and adjust plans instantly. This tech-driven approach to wellness reflects the cultural emphasis on efficiency and proactive management of one's lifestyle. Whether it's walking 10,000 steps tracked by a smartwatch, following a guided meditation, or logging meals for calorie control, convenience has become an integral part of staying healthy. Americans are willing to invest in tools and apps that reduce friction, increase engagement, and make wellness achievable amidst busy lives. Convenience is more than a preference in the USA, it's a lifestyle. What convenience can't you live without? Comment below and subscribe to Real USA Facts for more insights about American life.